Hi, hello viewers. Welcome to my channel. I am Radha here to teach mathematics. Today I am going to teach 8th mathematics. So in the 8th mathematics, the first lesson rational numbers. The first lesson rational numbers. In the rational numbers we have taught till 5th main. Exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1 we have taught till 5th main. So in this class let us discuss about 6th main onwards. Okay, let us discuss today 6th main. So 6th main. So what is the 6th main is multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. Multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. So the answer is, so 6 by 13 we have to multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. So what is the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16 is 16 divided by minus 7. 16 divided by minus 7. If we multiply 6 by 13 into 16 by 7, minus 7, while multiplying the fraction, we don't want to need denominators are same. If the denominators are different also, we can multiply numerator and denominator and denominator. So numerator 6, 16 16 6 96 divided by 13 7 71. 13 7 71. So minus will be there. Minus 96 by 71. Minus 96 by 71 is the answer. Okay, next. Seventh question. Seventh question is, tell what property allows you to compute. Tell what property allows you to compute 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 has a 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. See, the given question, it is in the form of A into of B into C. A into of B into C. This question allows the property associative property. We know that associative property as a into of B into C is equal to A into B into C. This is called associative property. The given question is, it is in the form of A into of B into C. If we want to write this as, this is in the form of 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. This is in the form of A into B into C. So this given question is allows the property associative property under multiplication. Associative property under multiplication. Associative property under multiplication. Okay, next we move on to 8th question. So the 8th question is 8 by 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 of 1 by 8? Why or why not? They are asking, is 8 by 9 is the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 of 1 by 8? That is we have to find out first. So here 8 by 9 is, here 8 by 9. This is the question. So it is the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 of 1 by 8 minus 1 of 1 by 8. This is the mixed fraction. If we write it is in the form of improper fraction, 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 divided by, write the denominator as same. Convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Minus 1 of 1 by 8, we get the improper fraction minus 9 by 8. So minus 9 by 8, it is the multiplicative. 8 by 9 is the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 9 by 8? No. No. Why? Because 8 by 9 into minus 9 by 8, it is not, will become 1. The product of 8 by 9 and minus 9 by 8 is not equal to 1. If we want to say this fraction as the multiplicative inverse of this fraction, the product of these two fractions should become 1. So it is not equal to 1. So this is not a multiplicative inverse. Next, ninth question. is 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3 of 1 by 3. Why or why not? They are asking, is 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3 of 1 by 3? Let us find out. 0.3 we can write it as a 3 by 10. 0.3 we can write it as a 3 by 10 fraction. Next another fraction is 3 of 1 by 3. 3 of 1 by 3. If we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, 3 3 is a 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 by 3. 10 by 3. So 3 into 3 by 10 into 10 by 3. The product is equal to 1. So 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3 of 1 by 3. Yes. Because the product of 0.3 and 3 of 1 by 3 is equal to 1. The product of these two fraction is equal to 1. That is why 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3 of 1 by 3. Okay. Next we move on to 10th question. So 10th question is the 10th question. They have given the statement. We should write the numbers. So the first question is, the rational number does not have a reciprocal. The rational number does not have a reciprocal. Which is that rational number? So 0 is a rational number, but it doesn't have a reciprocal. Next, second question. The rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals, which are those? 1 and minus 1, because reciprocal of 1 is always 1. The reciprocal of minus 1 is always 1. So these two are the rational number having their own reciprocals. Okay. Next, third statement. The rational number that is equal to its negative. The rational number that is equal to its negative. So 0 is the rational number. It is equal to its negative. So if we say plus 0 is always a 0, minus 0 is always a 0. So 0 is the rational number. It is equal to its negative. Okay. Next question. Next, second main. Fill in the blanks. So they have given the fill in the blanks. We have to fill it. 0 has dash reciprocal. No, 0 has no reciprocal, because 0 is a number. It is a rational number also. It doesn't have any reciprocals. Next, second question. The numbers dash and dash are their own reciprocals. The numbers 1 and minus 1 are their own reciprocals. So 1 and minus 1 are the numbers. It is having their own reciprocal. If we take 1 for reciprocal for 1 is always 1. If we take for reciprocal of minus 1 is always equal to minus 1. Okay. Next, third question. The reciprocal of minus 5 is minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5. Okay. Next, fourth question. Reciprocal of 1 by x, where x is not equal to 0 is. The reciprocal of 1 by x is always x. Okay. Next, the product of two rational number is always rational number. Okay, the product of two rational number is always a rational number only. Next, sixth question. The reciprocal of positive rational number is always positive. If you take the reciprocal of positive rational number, it is always a positive. Okay, so today in this class we have learned exercise 1.1 completely. Next we move on to, in the next class we move on to exercise 1.2. Okay, so viewers, if you like my video, like, share, and also if you want any kind of topics, just put in the comment box. I will try to teach my level best. Thank you, viewers.